OpenAI has done it again with the launch of GPT-4, the most capable and aligned chatbot. This latest AI model can process images and text prompts, making it a true game changer in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been making tremendous advancements in recent years, and today we will talk about the latest breakthrough, GPT-4. Developed by OpenAI, GPT-4 is the successor to the widely popular ChatGPT. But what sets GPT-4 apart? Let's dive deeper and explore how GPT-4's capabilities, limitations, and potential affects our daily lives. GPT-4 is a potent artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It's the latest version of their chatbot, ChatGPT, and is more advanced than any model they've created. It is better aligned with human values, a concern that has engulfed the AI world in recent times. One of the most exciting features of GPT-4 is that it's multimodal, meaning it can generate content from image and text prompts. For instance, Greg Brockman, OpenAI's president, demonstrated how GPT-4 could take a hand-drawn mock-up for a simple website, create a real one, and even help individuals calculate their taxes. But that's not all. GPT-4 has also outperformed its predecessor in the United States bar exam and the graduate record examination, GRE. It's more versatile than previous models, with developers able to choose their AI's style of tone and rhetoric. However, GPT-4 still needs to be improved in several ways. For example, it needs to gain knowledge of events after September 2021, when most of its data was cut off. Additionally, like all AI models, GPT-4 is less capable than humans in many real-world scenarios, according to OpenAI. Incorrect responses, known as hallucinations, can still be problematic. As GPT-4 continues to evolve and improve, its potential applications will only expand. OpenAI is already partnering with organizations like Be My Eyes to provide a virtual volunteer tool powered by GPT-4 on its app. With the subscription plan offered by ChatGPT+, developers and subscribers will have access to the text input feature. In contrast, the image input ability has yet to be publicly available. Before we proceed, kindly hit that like and subscribe button. One of the most exciting capabilities of GPT-4 is its ability to generate content from image and text prompts. The model can recognize and analyze objects in a picture, which could have numerous applications in medicine, engineering, and design. With GPT-4, OpenAI has demonstrated that it is at the forefront of this race, and this powerful language model's capabilities are only beginning to be realized. However, as with any powerful technology, it's essential to approach GPT-4 with a critical and ethical lens. While it has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries, it's also vital to consider its limitations and potential consequences. CEO Sam Altman said, "It is still flawed, limited, and seems more impressive on first use than it does after spending more time with it." AI technology advances rapidly, and GPT-4 is the next giant artificial intelligence leap. Its shocking capabilities, from processing image and text prompts to outperforming its predecessor in tests, make it a game changer. Yet, immense power carries with it enormous responsibility. We are responsible for using this technology ethically and accountably. So, what does the future hold for GPT-4 and AI? Will we keep pushing the limits of what is possible? Or will fears and limitations stop us? What tomorrow holds is yet to be seen, but one thing is sure: GPT-4 is changing the game.